Have you ever noticed how negative thoughts can cloud your mind? Like dark, heavy clouds, they can obscure the bright, sunny sky of your true potential. These thoughts might whisper doubts, fears, or insecurities, casting shadows over your joy and confidence. You might start to believe these negative thoughts, allowing them to dictate your feelings and actions. But remember, you are not your thoughts. You are the vast, open sky, and your thoughts are merely passing weather patterns. Just as clouds come and go, so too do your thoughts. They do not define you, and you have the power to choose which ones you entertain. The first step to overcoming negative thoughts is to simply observe them without judgment. When a negative thought arises, acknowledge its presence without engaging in a battle. Don't criticize yourself for having these thoughts. Simply notice them as you might notice the shapes and movements of clouds in the sky. Observe the thought with a sense of curiosity. What triggered this thought? How does it make you feel physically and emotionally? By approaching your thoughts with this detached awareness, you can begin to detach from their power over you. Just as clouds drift across the sky, eventually dissipating, so too can your negative thoughts. Once you've observed a thought without judgment, imagine it as a cloud gently floating away. Visualize the thought losing its density, its grip on your mind, until it eventually disappears altogether. As you release the negative thought, feel the tension ease from your body. Breathe in deeply, allowing the fresh air to fill your lungs, symbolizing the clarity and peace that come from letting go. Remember, holding on to negative thoughts only keeps you stuck in their storm. Section 4. Affirmations, planting seeds of hope. Now that you've created space in your mind by releasing negative thoughts, it's time to plant seeds of positivity. For every negative thought you release, replace it with a gentle affirmation. Affirmations are positive statements that, when repeated with belief, can help to reprogram your subconscious mind. Choose affirmations that resonate with you and address the specific negative thoughts you're working to overcome. For example, if you're struggling with self-doubt, you might repeat affirmations like, I am worthy, I am capable, or I am enough. Section 5. Cultivating a positive landscape. Overcoming negative thoughts is an ongoing practice. Just as a gardener tends to their garden, you must cultivate a positive mental landscape. This requires consistent effort and attention. The more you practice observing your thoughts, letting go of negativity and planting seeds of positivity, the easier it will become. Remember, your thoughts shape your reality. By choosing to focus on positive, empowering thoughts, you invite more joy, abundance, and peace into your life. You have the power to guide your mind towards the light. Choose thoughts that uplift and inspire you, and watch as your world transforms.